Okay, hold on. Because if you've ever seen Temu people getting free stuff and thought it was fake, same. I thought it was edited. I thought it was sponsored. I thought it was clickbait. Literally all of it. So I tested it multiple times. And yes, the free gift method still works in 2025, but only if you use the right code. So let me save you the stress. The working code is on the screen right now. Also in the description, also in the pinned comment. Also bonus codes down there because Temu rotates these faster than my sleep schedule. Now here's all you do. Open Temu, scroll, find free gift, tap it. The app asks for a code, type the one you see on the screen. Boom, progress bar pops up. Temu gives you tiny mini actions. Browse here, tap that, check this. Every action fills the bar. When it hits 100%, your free item unlocks. Done. No referrals, no invite 10 people, no 40-step missions, just the right code plus like 60 seconds of tapping. Try it fast. These codes rotate, it's back on the screen again. And if you unlock something good, comment it because I'm nosy and I want to see what you got.